Nobody likes it when the cable goes out, or the internet is down, or there's a lot of static on a long-distance call. And you like it even less when you have to wait on hold to report the problem. SmartHub makes it easy to report service issues so everything is back up and running as quickly as possible. This video shows you how to do it from SmartHub Web. Say you desperately want to catch up on the latest episode of Swamp People, but when you turn on the TV, you get nothing. What to do? Report it. From the SmartHub homepage, click the My Profile tab. Click Report a Problem. And now you can report your cable TV issue. After checking to make sure your account information is accurate, click the Service Type drop-down and select the service with the issue. In this case, TV. Now you need to indicate the problem. Again, in this case, there is no picture on the TV. Now for comments. Enter any helpful information about your problem here, such as when the problem began or a description of your attempts to solve the problem. Depending on the issue, your provider may need to get some additional details to solve your problem, so be sure to enter your name and a valid contact number. If you wish to be notified when service is restored, click here. That's it. The report is ready for submission. Click Report Problem. Success! Your report is submitted, and here's your ticket number. Click Close to return to the previous screen. From here, you can also report another problem or check the status of any other issues. The next day, your provider calls and sets an appointment for a technician to come out. But say you didn't write the time down and now you can't remember. Never fear, SmartHub can help. From the home page, click My Profile. And now, Problem History. There's your trouble ticket. Click the associated View Details link. And here's the details. Updates will most often appear here in the Company Comments field. And depending on the issue, you may see an appointment time listed. There's your appointment time. Looks like you'll soon be back in the swamp. Here's a recap. Report a problem with your service by accessing and then submitting this form. Check back for updates on your trouble ticket. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to report a problem and check its status with SmartHub Web. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub Web's many capabilities, consult the built-in help or contact your SmartHub provider.